Hi, this is Iris Patin for Butterfly Circles. Wow, we are in such an intensive period of time where everything happens at the same time on this planet. Many things are and will still happen, are still happening. Many emotions of people, but also many good things, inventions, people who take their sovereignties, people who are taking their own responsibilities. And it's really nice. This period of time, the more chaos there is, the more it is up to you to take your responsibility to really be aligned. Feel your higher self, feel your yidam, as they say, and be really conscious of every word you are saying. These are the moments that we recreate our futures. There are sun flares that are influencing our earth now these days, and that will be going on until September 2024, that we have this opportunity to create and to be the creator. So be conscious. When are you the victim of your past, or when are you the creator of your future? So be very careful of every word you are saying, because words, they do create. And here I am now in Colombia, and I'm on a very pretty island, and the name of the island is Providencia. And here the people are dancers, musicians. They are all the time, they are in the now moment. And on every corner of the street, there is possibilities to dance and to really share their emotions with other people. It's really a gift that we have. We have music, we have dancing, so that we can return in the now moment. So please, don't waste your time in gossiping with for other people. Gossiping is so toxic. Don't judge people, and really put and pull your energy in your own center, and that's the center of your heart. Be in your heart, be in a state of love all the time, because this is crucial in these periods of time. If there are people who are and who really need some help, you can help them to be present. Be present, just be present. So this is it for now, for November, because it's going to be very turbulent month. We have the sun in Scorpio, and soon we on the new moon. It's the new moon in Scorpio, so many emotions will erupt, to be honest. So be very careful of what you are saying, of what your focus. Put your focus on the new timeline and not on the old one. I wish you a really pretty, beautiful November, and be sure that you are with the same family, with the same vibrations, and don't be, how do you say that? It's like a soldier that takes back his sovereignty. He does not listen anymore to authority, because his conscience is now directing him towards his future. Have a really nice month of November. Love you all. Oha.